Work smarter and not harder by using this perfect companion to your sewing machine. The swing gauge sewing fence keeps stitches uniformly spaced from the edge of fabric. This tool is perfect for hemming because it provides a hard stop for fabric edges so that you can create flawless, even hems on your project. The swing gauge is also useful on the first step of creating a semi-flat felled seam. This tool is easy to install and mounts to the machine bed with 2 screws. To install the swing gauge sewing fence, first move the swinging arm out of the way. Then line up the screw slots over the 2 holes on the machine bed. Place a washer onto each screw and loosely install them by hand. Before tightening it down, you can adjust the stationary arm left or right along the track to your desired distance from the needle. You can use the needle plate guide or a measuring guide to do so. Make sure that your gauge is straight on the machine bed and then use the included hex key to fully tighten it into place. To adjust the position of the swinging arm, loosen the thumb screw and set the swing gauge to your desired distance from the needle. Again, use the needle plate guide or a measuring guide to set the correct distance. Then tighten the thumb screw to secure the gauge arm in place. You now have 2 distance guides in one tool, the swinging arm and the stationary arm. Setting your distances at the beginning of your project allows you to just move the swing arm back and forth at any time while you continue to work. This tool works with most sewing machines that have a cast iron bed, and they work with all of our Sailrite machines. To make it easy to get yours, we've linked it down in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And if you want to see more Sailrite products in action, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss one of our videos.